one, real progress happens when education actually leads to a job, and that job leads to independence. That's what the Learn, Intern, Earn initiative is built around. Led by AiXQP by iTCart, this initiative focuses on helping people move from learning to gaining real-world experience and then into meaningful work. With access to more than 25,000 active job opportunities across sectors like IT, banking, manufacturing, and other growing industries, it's helped you understand where the opportunities are and how to prepare for them. This isn't just about doing courses, it's about finding direction. Education helps you to get ready, employment brings stability, and empowerment gives you the confidence to grow further. For this initiative, we are collaborating with Ajmal Foundation to ensure impact at the community level. If you are serious about taking the next step in your career, this is a good place to start. Join us on January 29th at 11 a.m. at Haji Ajmal Ali College, Nilbagan, and begin your journey from education to employment to empowerment. Thank you.